What's up guys, I'm Carter.
I'm Raimi.
And today I'm going to be making a quilt with practically zero quilting experience.
You've done a couple things here and there, right?
Yes, a few things.
Alright, so I think we're ready for this one.
Yeah.
Just kidding guys, we're going to be starting off with something really small, simple, one of our favorite Vegas strip patterns.
Yep, today we're going to be doing the potato quilt, potato chip. What's it called? Family size potato chip quilt. Okay.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be doing the family size potato chip quilt.
Let's get to it.
All right. We got our sewing machine and there's thread already on it, so that's a bonus.
That's good.
Don't know how to do that part. And all we need for this pattern is a Vegas strip. So
right.
Let's go out to the show floor, pick out a Vegas strip, and then we'll come back and make it.
Sounds good to me. Let's go.
All right, so here's all of our Vegas strips. Got some pretty good Halloweenish options here. I don't know if I'm gonna go for a Halloween vibe necessarily, but I do really like the black and white. I just don't know if there's enough of that contrast for this specific quilt.
That's true. It might start to blend a little bit more.
So I'm gonna keep looking, see what else we got over here. Let's see, what else do we have?
This one's cute.
I do really like that one. I don't know if I have the quilt color coordination to be able to get all of those colors to work in there.
All right.
So I know you want to separate them, but not like...
You typically separate dark, medium, and light.
That's what I'm saying. So I don't know if I'm quite there.
All right, all right.
But...
Oh.
There is a nice cafe one, which who doesn't love a cafe quilt, am I right?
This is our brand new cafe collection too.
It is. You just made this Vegas strip
2
weeks ago, a week ago, something like that.
Yeah.
And it has a nice ombre all the way through, plus case fabrics always match itself. So that's the one I'm going with right here.
Saying yes to the Vegas strip.
Yep. There we go. There's our Vegas strip. This is the one we're going with.
Okay guys, we are back and ready to get started on our pattern.
Yep, so we got our Vegas strip, we have our pattern, our So Yeah custom ruler.
Fan favorite.
Those are fantastic. And our cutter.
Yep.
So we're ready to go.
So let's look at the pattern.
Okay.
We need 20 of them and we're gonna cut them into 3 12.5-inch strips.
All right, let's do it.
Sounds good?
Yep.
All right, let's get cutting. Where are you gonna put the sticker?
After I finish this quilt, then I'll be able to put the sticker on something.
All right.
I'll call myself a quilter at that point.
All right, that's fair.
So, step 1 for this. Nailed it.
Now count 12.5.
9, 10, 11, 12 and a half. So right there.
Right there.
Okay.
You gonna count it again, or are you just gonna...
Is
Ladies and
right?
gentlemen, always measure twice, cut once.
10, 11, 12 and a half.
All right. Good job.
Thanks.
You're welcome. We need 2 more. So, you ready to cut down the rest?
Yep, now we're gonna do that.
19 more times.
Yep, 57 more cuts.
I'm just gonna stand out of your way.
Okay.
Okay,
Sweet. So we separated these into
reds and greens.
a little bit of purples, you know.
You're going to sew 2 strips. Don't look at that. Give me.
Do I need to like clip this or can I just send it through
Well,
here?
you need to put the presser foot down.
What?
You're just a guy. You're like, I'm gonna go this way. Wouldn't it be much easier to just like click, click? Go ahead.
Okay.
I'll pick out the next 2. Good job.
First seam done. Does that look good?
It looks so good. So you're going to sew this to here and this to there. Got it?
Got it. Okay, real quick. I'm going over.
You want to tuck.
Instead it bunched though. Tuck.
Solved.
You can lift it?
Yeah. There you go. Now cut. Okay.
There it is in all its beauty.
Wait. Now let's do one of these orange ones.
Okay.
And this one. Right. I'm glad you want it to look good.
I do.
I know. this one. Teaching you how to sew.
Like a pro.
Like a pro. Good job. It's looking so good. Look how good it's looking.
It is looking good.
Okay, you press that out. I'll get these sewn together for you.
I was trying to make it go faster and it wouldn't.
Your settings were turned low.
It's making me look silly now.
You want to make sure it's a really like hard crease on there.
Pretty hard grease.
Good.
Yep.
On the other side.
That's what experience looks like.
Apparently. Oh wow, now it's like super slow. That was a long one.
I was. They're just gonna keep getting longer.
Definitely getting straighter.
There you go.
How many quilts have you made?
I made a quilting like 101 class quilt, a 10 sisters quilt. I've made a Grinch quilt that is beautiful. I'll have to bring that in because I need to actually get it long armed. I just have the quilt top. So really not that many. Oh, you ran out of the bobbin thread.
Well, that's a shame. Carter, how about you sew an entire quilt on camera? Okay. Will be done. Will be done well. We'll see. I think that one was pretty decent,
Good
actually.
job.
Not bad at all. Balthazar's first quilt.
Wow.
Charity auction.
Charity.
No one's buying it for looks.
I think it's gonna look great.
I hope so. Very interested to see what it all looks like once it's put together. After this is done, I'm a quilter at that point.
It's true, you've fully made a
I
quilt.
have made a full quilt.
Yep.
Gotta put the quilter sticker on the back of the truck.
Please don't.
Back window, slapping it
No.
on. Yep.
It looks so good.
Check that out. I like it. I think it turned out really nice.
Here, let me hold this so you can see it.
Of course, the Vegas strip displays the large prints very well, so I'm quite happy with it.
You're officially a quilter. Here, you get your little quilter sticker.
Pretty sweet. Smack it on the back window.
Will you at least put it on straight?
Yep, I'll put it on straight.
Okay. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Thanks, guys. See ya.